Good morning guys. Happy Monday everyone. Ganda ng ating araw ngayon. Wala nang ulan. Maganda na yung sikat ng araw. Sana tuloy-tuloy na yung araw na maganda. Happy Monday everyone. Thank you for watching guys. God bless you all.